You know the world is changing fast. One of the biggest shifts, how we work. No more boring offices, rigid schedules, or soul-crushing commutes. Say hello to the freedom and flexibility of online work. Businesses need help. They need experts, specialists, advisors. They need you. That's where online consulting comes in. It's not just a trend, it's the future. Are you ready to be a part of it? Think about it. Sharing your expertise from anywhere, setting your own hours, being your own boss. The future is waiting and it's yours for the taking. Simply put, online consulting is sharing your knowledge and skills with clients, online. It's like traditional consulting, but without the limitations of location. Are you a marketing whiz, a financial guru, a sales ninja? Whatever your expertise, there's a business out there that needs it, and they're willing to pay for your guidance. You might offer one-on-one coaching calls or create and sell online courses. The possibilities are endless. The beauty of online consulting is the freedom it offers. Choose your niche, set your rates, and work from anywhere with an internet connection. It's time to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and build a career on your own terms. Step-by-step roadmap to launching your online consulting business. What are you passionate about? What do you know more about? And choose a niche that excites you. Who do you want to help? What are their goals? Understanding your ideal client helps you tailor your services and messaging. Create a professional website or landing page. Establish profiles on relevant social media platforms. Content is king, so start sharing your knowledge through blog posts, videos, or podcasts. Research industry standards. Consider your experience and the value you provide. Don't undervalue yourself. Offer different pricing packages to cater to various budgets. Networking is key. Attend online events. Connect with potential clients on LinkedIn. Leverage social media to showcase your expertise. Run targeted ads if your budget allows. Over-deliver on your promises. Go the extra mile for your clients. Ask for feedback and continuously improve your services. Happy clients are your best marketing tool. Still not convinced that online consulting is right for you? Let's talk about the perks, baby. Here's why online consulting is becoming the go-to career path for savvy professionals. Work from anywhere in the world. Set your own hours. Be your own boss. Online consulting gives you the ultimate control over your work-life balance. You're not limited by a salary cap. Set your own rates and increase them as you gain experience. The more you work, the more you can earn. The internet knows no borders. Connect with clients from all over the world. Expand your horizons and tap into a wider pool of opportunities. Share your knowledge and help businesses grow. Become a trusted advisor and make a tangible difference in the lives of your clients. Stay ahead of the curve in your industry. You've got the steps, you understand the benefits, now let's talk about crushing it as an online consultant. Here are some insider secrets to help you stand out from the crowd and achieve massive success. Niche down. Focus on a specific area of expertise. Become known as the go-to expert in your field. This allows you to command premium prices. Showcase your personality. Be authentic and relatable. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. Let your personality shine through. Regularly create high-quality content that provides value to your target audience. Blog posts, videos, podcasts, webinars, the more, the merrier. Attend online events. Connect with influencers. Engage in relevant conversations on social media. Networking is crucial for building relationships and landing clients. Go above and beyond for your clients. We've talked the talk, now let's walk the walk. Here are some real-life examples of ordinary people who launched extraordinary online consulting businesses. Sarah was tired of the corporate grind. She had a knack for marketing and decided to launch her own online consulting business. Today, she helps small businesses grow their She sets her own hours, works from her home office, and earns more than she ever did at her old job. John was a financial advisor for years, but he craved more freedom and flexibility. He took his expertise online and now offers virtual financial coaching to individuals and couples. He helps his clients create budgets, manage debt, and invest for the future. Satisfaction of empowering others to achieve financial freedom. Emily had a proven track record of closing deals and building relationships. She realized that many businesses struggled with sales and decided to share her expertise through online consulting. Let's address some common concerns and misconceptions that might be holding you back from taking the plunge. False. While basic computer skills are helpful, you don't need to be a tech whiz to succeed as an online consultant. There are user-friendly tools and platforms available to help you every step of the way. Nope. Building a successful online consulting business is about quality, not quantity. Focus on building a strong network and providing exceptional value to your clients. Word of mouth is powerful, not really. While there are many online consultants, there's always room for talented individuals who offer unique skills and expertise. The world of online consulting is waiting for you. It's a world of freedom, flexibility, and unlimited potential. It's a chance to be your own boss, share your passion, and make a real impact. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. You have the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. Start building it today.